Hi, in today's vlog I am going to prepare some data for a client, and I decided to do something for you since Christmas is coming up. So let's get to work. First, I need to prepare the data that I will edit later and set up the project. It will be a short video for a client on a subject of making a bioclimatic pergola. I'm still printing the binder for the drawer for several days in a row, so I will set the stopwatch so I don't miss it and continue on with the schedule. I have to prepare some food for lunch. The fried cheese was a quick choice and I didn't want it to go bad. It was nearing its expiration date. So now I'm finally going to get to work for you. At least the part that has a 3D printer. I've decided to model few decorations and themed printable models for you for Christmas. You can find everything in the video description. All models are free for you for commercial and any other use. If you want, just click like and subscribe button. Supporting this channel is a great motivation for me. And now, enjoy the time lapse of creation of the models and their preparation. Have a great time. Bye. If you have an idea of what you would like to model for free next time, let me know in the comments.